with skidsteersolutions.com. I'm here with the Eterra ML 2500 auger drive for mini skid steer loaders. This is the package you get when you purchase it. Let's have a look at what's inside. Eterra does a great job of manufacturing a mini skid steer loader auger. They even do an exceptional job of packaging it. Let's have a look and see exactly what comes in the box. Here's your hoses. Okay, it's two 72-inch hoses. You get the fittings that go on here to connect to the motor. Here's your flat face hydraulic couplers with caps, so you can pull these caps off. You get a spring. This mounts up on top here. This keeps the hoses out of harm's way when you're operating the auger. You get an auger pin. This pin goes through the main shaft of the auger drive and allows you to put the auger bits on. This uses a 2-inch hex style auger. It's kind of a universal US style, so this auger drive will also fit on anything else that's 2-inch hex. If you don't have a 2-inch hex bit, you can buy different adapters to fit on here so that you can use those bits as well. Instruction manual, also very important, well written, very easy to understand. It's got all your warnings and things in there, so you're good to go. If you look on the back here, this is a mini universal plate. Okay, that's for your Toro Dingos, your boxers, ramrods, Vermeers. If you have another requirement, maybe it's an RC 30 or a New Holland, we have adapters from Eterra as well on the Skid Steer Solutions site that'll fit up inside here so that you can use it on those different machines. And if you happen to sell that machine and maybe you picked up a Toro Dingo, you can still use it on that. The ML 2500 from Eterra is practically ready to go out of the box. You just need to connect the hoses up, put your couplers on, run them through the spring, and connect to your machine and you're good to go. However, there's one thing that a lot of customers make this mistake on. These are shipping caps. They're meant to be taken off. They've been put on from the factory so that they can test it. So all of this stuff is tested at the factory under pressure. This cap though goes on for shipping purposes. And right underneath it is this little rubber seal. This rubber seal needs to come off and get thrown away. A lot of people leave it on and then they put their fittings on. And what that is this is not a high pressure seal. So what will happen is it'll actually cause a leak to occur. So many people call in and they ask, I've got a leak here, I don't know what's going on. I tell them, did you leave that rubber seal on? And sure enough, they have. They take the rubber seal off, put it back on, and off they go. So just make sure you're aware of that when you get your ML 2500 that you do take the seal off and dispose of it. Let's talk about the one product feature that makes this unique to any other manufacturer's drive. These pins. You pull these pins out. These 3 pins, and there's a spot right over on this side that holds the pins. Once you do that, it allows the auger to fully float. Then you can buy a cement mixer bowl as an option. You put this front pin in, and this whole mechanism flips up to a 45-degree angle, and it allows you to repin it in the sides and lock the auger into place. Now you can use this mini skid steer auger as an actual cement mixer. Fully functional, just like you had a mixer bowl from a rental yard or whatever, a lot less expensive, and you actually own it. So anytime you need to do small batches of concrete or maybe some post holes or something, you've got that available to you using the Eterra ML 2500.